Welcome. In this video I will tell you what to do if your LENOVO IdeaPad Slim 3 Chromebook isn't turning on. In such case, try connecting your device to the charger and charge it for at least 15 minutes before pressing the power button right here in the top right corner of your PC. And if it's not helping, try checking the charging cable and also the AC adapter. Make sure that your charging cable is firmly connected into the AC adapter, and make sure that it doesn't have any visible damages. Make sure that the AC adapter that you're using provides your device with at least 45 watts of power. And also try switching the outlet. Now, I also want to mention that if your device was exposed to either extremely hot or extremely cold conditions previously, you may want to leave it for about 12 hours without charging before plugging in the charging cable and turning it on eventually. And if it doesn't want to turn on even after that, then reach out to Lenovo customer support service and notify them about this issue. Most probably your device needs a battery replacement or some other kind of repair. And that's it for this video. Thank you for watching it. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like in the comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.